Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everyone. Today we will start about a new course called Introductory Horticulture. In this course, the first lecture we discuss will be about Introduction to Horticulture. So let's start today's lecture. First, what is horticulture? Horticulture is a science and technique of production, processing, merchandising, or promoting or marketing of fruits, vegetable, flowers, spices, medicinal and aromatic plants. So basically in horticulture we use different techniques to produce, process, merchandise or promote a variety of fruits, vegetable, flowers, spices, medicinal and aromatic plants. Our horticulture can also be defined as the science and art involved in cultivation, propagation, processing, and promotion of different kinds of plants such as nuts, fruits, vegetables, turf, flowers, and ornamental plants. So these two are the basic definition of horticulture. Next is the term horticulture is derived from two Latin words. Hortus means garden and cultura means cultivation. So it is the cultivation of gardens. And these figures, you can see this here. Here different products of horticulture are given. And figure two, the example of turf is given. Turf is a special type of grass which is used famously in different types of sports. Next is horticulture is a branch of agriculture, but in contrast to agriculture, horticulture does not include large-scale crop production or animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the practice of breeding, farming, and care of farm animals. So although it is a branch of agriculture, but it does not include large-scale crop production and animal husbandry, which is the core entity of agriculture. Also, horticulture cultivation generally include a wide variety of crops than agricultural cultivation, which focus on one primary crop. It is another major difference in horticulture and agriculture. In horticulture, a variety of crops are involved, and in agriculture, only one primary crop is involved. So horticulture is considered an exceptional field among plant sciences as it involves science, technology, as well as it utilizes art and design principle. So horticulture is a mixture of science, technology, art, and designing principle. So it is a mixture. Next is the person who study horticulture is known as horticulturist. Horticulturists apply their knowledge, skill, technologies to grow plants for human and for human food and non-food uses and for personal and social needs. So horticulturists use their expertise, all their expertise to grow plants for food and non-food uses of mankind and also for its personal and social needs. Their work involves plant propagation and cultivation with the aim of improving plant growth, yields, quality, nutritional value, and resistance to insects, diseases, and environmental stresses. So the basic aim of an horticulturist is to improve plant and its products. In this figure, you can see horticulturist at work. Next is they horticulturist work as a gardener, grower, therapist, designer, and technical advisor in different sector of horticulture. So the field of horticulture is a source of income for all the horticulturists. Next is the features of horticulture. Say what kind of feature horticulture has. The horticulture products are mostly utilized in fresh state and are very delicate in nature. So they are used in a very fresh state and they are prone to damages, though they are very delicate. Next is cultural operations like propagation, training, training is a process when a plant is made to grow in a desired fashion by removing some of its parts to give it a better shape. So from plants, some parts are removed in order to look good or to give it a better shape. This is known as training. Or pruning. Pruning is a removal of any part of a plant, and harvesting are specific to horticulture crop. So these practices are specific to horticultural crops. Next is horticultural crops need intensive cultivation, large input of capital, labor, and technology. So horticultural crops used intensive hard work, use of land, labor, and a variety of technology. Next is horticultural products are rich source of vitamins, minerals, and alkaloids because the horticultural products contains these types of nutrients, so it is very useful in for health and safety purposes. The last one is this: the horticulture products have aesthetic value. Aesthetic means the appreciation of beauty, because the horticulture products looks very beautiful, so it adds the aesthetic value. In this figure you can see a typical garden adding aesthetic value, and its look, as you can see, it looks very beautiful. So this is all about the introduction of horticulture. I hope you like this video. See you next time with another interesting topic.